Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. It's Monday, 4th of July is this week. Hope everybody has a blessed and safe week this week. We're going to do a quick garden tour. It's looking better than it was. We did get some rain, and I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's a thundering. Sounds like we're going to be getting some more. Hopefully no hail, no wind. Alrighty, let's get started. Me and Dixie will take you for a little tour, won't we? Yeah, it'll be a fast one, trust me. Alrighty, cucumbers are starting to produce. And we ate our first squash today. And we had some new taters out of the garden. Always good. You can hear up there. There's goats in the woods. Mama's is a hollering, come on, before the storm hits, come on.
Something's going over that way.
No, I'll show you here. No, we're starting to get some stuff coming in now. Of course, with the rain comes the weeds. But hey, I'll take it. Show you here the beans. They're looking better. Getting blooms here on our beans here. This is our bush beans. Over in here is our Monte Cristos. And at the end of this video, or the next segment I should say, have a little bit of there. We got our tomato clips in. Carolyn and Dan putting them on. Corn's looking better. It got a little bit of water to it. We had put this sprinklers up. Let's go over here. Show you here what the watermelons are looking like. Looking all right. Let's give them a little bit of fertilize. Looking a little pale. That's the Charleston Grays there, and then I believe this is the Sweet Crimson. Yep. Down in there is our tomatoes. They're starting to get some tomatoes on them. But now, we'll show you there them putting the clips on. Finally got down in here and I did a little bit of pruning on these. You don't really got to do a whole lot of pruning on the paste tomatoes, the determinants. You can see I've been spraying these tomatoes. All of our tomatoes been trying to do a weekly thing on there because it's humid as it is. That's the thriving time for disease. Alrighty folks, the taters up there, they've already bloomed and they're already starting to die back. Like I said, we dug some there today and ate on them. Us mom and dad did. Alrighty, we have to come through and just pull these pieces of grass up off our mat there. But no, starting to get a little bit of life to it. Looks a whole lot better than it did than a while back. Alrighty, like I said, we'll be having some clip there at the end.
Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. This morning what we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting clips on the tomatoes here, putting them up to the fence. Dad, right now he's out there, he's hilling up the corn there with the Hoss wheel hoe. And me and Mom here, we're going to put clips on the tomatoes here. And then Dad, he'll join us here in a little bit there. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we got these clips here off of Amazon here. We got 2 bags. And let me pull it open here. Here's what they look like here. You just connect them up there, just like that, to the fence. All right, simple as that. Pretty easy. Done that in less than 5 minutes there. Now we'll do this other side here. Mom, she's over here doing this outside row over here.
Folks, the clips we're using this year, we've seen on Celebrating Appalachia and Horse Range Mountain Farm. Both great channels, check them out.
Did you show them the clips?
I don't think I got close up here.
What, didn't show them the clips, Dan?
I showed them clips there, I didn't get a close up.
This. And it's easier if you go ahead and bend it right there.
Yeah.
And then flip the tomato.
I'm getting a close up here, Mama. No pressure, Mom.
Yeah. You just squeeze.
Easy. Careful.
And it clicks.
We're just joking, folks. We like to joke with each other.
Mom, would you say that's better than using tomato string?
Yes. Yes. A lot easier. 100 times.
I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed, safe week. Take care. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. I don't know yet what we're having Wednesday. I think Daniel was coming up with an idea for this week. Alrighty. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe. You leave that little toad alone, Dixie. Leave that toad alone.